Welcome back to my channel and to part 2 of repainting the complete 911 Turbo S. If you guys haven't already seen part 1, I'll post it down below in the description. In part 1 we painted the car complete, and in part 2 we're gonna paint the rest of the parts that we took off, the bumpers, all the moldings, the trunk, the spoiler, pretty much everything else that's not on the car as of now. So let's head inside and get to work. Here's our rear bumper that came in. Nice clean donor. Unfortunately it's silver, so we have to repaint that. Got the bumper reds, and then we got the front spoiler for the front bumper, which is new. We're gonna paint the front lower spoiler to match the paint on the bumper. That's the way it's gonna look a lot more aggressive. And then here I got all the parts prepped, masked up, ready to go. We got the trunk lid piece, spoiler, and the quarter scoops. So everything's almost ready. I put all the prepped pieces in my clean, safe paint room, so nothing's gonna happen to them. Okay, I got my Porsche parts in the spray booth ready to go. Firstly, we're gonna seal the front bumper because it's new, and I always put sealer on new plastic parts. The rear bumper, it's used, but it was a clean donor, didn't have any damage, so we're gonna put our gray shade sealer, that way our color match is good. And our bumperettes, front spoiler, and the toe cap. I always paint my toe caps separate just so we can get paint inside there. So pretty simple. We'll quickly shoot these parts with sealer, and then we'll get all the rest of the parts in the booth. It's gonna be jam-packed in here, but all right, we're finally done with the base coat. 2 coats plus control coat, making sure everything's covered and uniform. So busy booth. lots of walking around and trying to avoid hitting parts. It's super exhausting. I think it's easier when you just have one big car in here and you just walk around here instead of doing like a little puzzle. Not a puzzle, but instead of doing like a maze. But yeah, very, very tiring when you have a bunch of parts in the booth and trying to spray them all down and make them look beautiful. But we're gonna do it and it's gonna look perfect. So got my clear mixed up. Everything's looking dry and uniform. Everything's looking pretty. Let's shoot some clear and make it look even better. Let's go. Got all the Porsche Turbo S parts painted and it's looking beautiful. Very happy with how everything turned out. So we're pretty much done with all the paint. I'm gonna get all the parts out and I'm sure Vlad's gonna jump on it real quick and get the car piece together and ready to go. So stay tuned, we'll show you guys the final product once the car is assembled, washed, detailed, and 100% ready for our customer. It's gonna look beautiful and it's gonna look like a brand new car. So stay tuned, you guys don't wanna miss it. is it. Our Porsche Turbo S is finally finished and it looks awesome. It looks like a brand new car. The customer is going to be super happy. I love how everything turned out. Very happy with the job overall, and it's going to be a super clean car for many years to come. I hope you enjoyed the video, my paint work, the build overall. If you really like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and comment below. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. That is going to be it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one.